Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Angel has predicted that Whitemoney will win the show. So today in the conversation that herself and Whitemoney were having in the garden, she said Whitemoney is like someone whose light is really shining and that she can see the light in Whitemoney and that she sees him in the top 5 and of course she sees him winning.
I'm not desperate for big things. I'm just saying that there's some people that their light is just out there, you can't see it. Sometimes people are like, one time Jibo was having a conversation with me, he was like, you're such a light. I can't see that. And that's the thing with life, like now people will tell you. Sometimes once in a while you're gonna say something inside you, this special, but now people could they constantly tell you like if the light is there, people could they tell you say something there inside you.
She went ahead to say that that is most likely the thing that Perry has seen in Whitemoney that is making Perry to be afraid and of course to be reacting to Whitemoney the way Perry is doing.
And I won't lie, it's probably like someone like Perry has been, you know, he can see that there's something inside you, and that thing is what makes him afraid. That thing is what makes him constantly trying to instigate shit. That thing is what makes him say that stupid shit instead of talking about strategy. Some people go to see your lights, go they burn them, go they pepper them. Why this guy do like this? Why I don't be like this guy?
She now told Whitemoney that Whitemoney is going nowhere as he's going to stay for longer in the house.
Like I was like, say this son, there's no going on. They're going to stay in here for longer. Like, I don't think that you're going to win.
Then Whitemoney now asked her, don't you see yourself winning, right? And Angel was like, you know what? I like to face reality. I'm not saying I don't have a competition, but the truth is this. I like to face reality, and when I see someone with light, I know. I'm not saying I'm not going to win, but apart from myself, the honest truth is this. If I make it to the top 5, it's fine, but I see you winning.
How would you think that when you're there?
I mean, it's like...
That's the question I would like, why would you put me in that position or what happens to you? Yeah.
It's like, I want to win, and there is a chance that I might win, but I acknowledge my competition. I think you're going to win. That does not mean that I don't think I'm going to win, but also like your competition, like
Meanwhile, Whitemoney has come out to say that there's something about Likoros and Emmanuel that makes so much sense. He further went on to say that he told Emmanuel while he was up for evictions that because he's treating Likoros well, that even though he doesn't have a fan base out there, that Likoros fans will vote for him.
You know, Likoros and Emmanuel, you don't understand what I'm saying. But see those two people, there's something about them that just makes so much sense. It looks cliche, but there's something about it that makes so much sense. And when Emma was up, I told him, bro, don't worry yourself. Because you are treating the Queen Bee well. The Queen Bee followers, even if you don't have followers, will help you.
He now went ahead to tell Angel that Bbnaija is the person he sees as a threat in the house.
The two people in this house that I know have treat that, in fact, the people that you're supposed to be scared of, not even me.
Moving on to my next gist, Big Brother has given Maria another task added to what he's given her before. So in the diary room today, Big Brother told Maria that, you know what, there's another task added to what you're doing right now. What are you going to do? On Sunday morning, you're going to ask the 6 people who have impressed you list, the last 6 people on your list, to pack their bags and put it in the storeroom.
On Sunday morning, you are to address the house and announce your bottom 6 housemates. That is, the 6 housemates who least impressed you this week.
Okay.
You must tell them to pack their bags and deliver them into the storeroom as they await your final verdict.
Big Brother, okay, sure.
If you remember in my video last night, I told you that Big Brother has a lot up his sleeves. Finally, in my gist, in the diary room today, Big Brother was asking Angel what she's going to do with the winnings she makes in the house.
What will you do with your winnings?
I go shy on, period. I'm going to use it for enjoyment. That's what I'm going to do with my money. Yeah, but on a more serious note, I'll probably invest it in business.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on our social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at the Femi Daniel. Until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.